we'll guide you through how to zoom in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and load the project you want to work on. Once your project is open, go to the Edit page by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll be able to manipulate your video clips. Next, you'll need to select the clip you want to zoom in on from your timeline. Click on the clip to highlight it. Now, look over to the Inspector panel on the top right of the screen. If it's not visible, make sure to enable it by clicking on View at the top, then Show Inspector. In the Inspector panel, you'll see a section labeled Transform. Here, you can adjust various settings like position, rotation, and scale. To zoom in, you want to adjust the zoom settings. You can either drag the zoom slider to the right or enter a specific value to increase the zoom level. A value of 1 is normal size, so setting it to 2 will double the size, effectively zooming in. You can also adjust the X and Y values separately if you need asymmetrical scaling. As you make these changes, you'll see the effect applied in real time in the preview window. If you want to focus on a specific part of the clip, you can combine zooming with repositioning using the position settings just above the zoom settings. Drag the X and Y sliders to move the clip around and center the area you want to zoom in on. Once you're happy with your zoom and position adjustments, remember to play back the clip to ensure it looks right. And that's it. You've successfully zoomed in on your clip in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.